Howdy, my name is Fred. I'm from Rusty Nuts Used Automotive, and just went and picked him up a Model A, 29 Model A, out in Utah, up by Reno. And so I got her back home, and these are some clips that I got along the way. I sure do like her stance. And the body, oh man, she's clean. Even though this is a Rusty Nuts special, looks rusty, but there's not rusted holes. This is good American steel right here. So we're gonna get her on back home, change the lights, do a little electric, clean that gas tank out, put some, see if these tires can hang. And a squirrel actually made it back, and he jumped out in Temecula. Anyway, man, this comes to the point where I say this is my first video, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe, and there's a little bell there, and it'll keep you updated when I make a new video.